Hey, we're in the Sitka National Historical Park in Sitka, Alaska, and some people call this area the Totem Park. Notice the totem. And we're gonna cruise around here a little bit, walk through the forest, while Janet holds two umbrellas. It's raining, so rain is gonna get on the lens. And so periodically, I'm gonna dry it off. So be prepared for that. It might be scary. There are trails all through here, crisscrossing around. That was the beach trail, as they call it. It goes along the beach, such as it is. It's a rocky beach. We're gonna take a shortcut back to the visitor center, we hope. See that arrow? Visitor center. Totem Trail Loop. Oh. Well, maybe this doesn't go where I think it does. So let's just head back to the visitor center. You don't think that, see, it goes off that way. The trees shield you somewhat from the rain, but the rain that does hit then is big drops that have collected. Look at that tree up there leaning over. Right there. And of course it's dark because it's cloudy and in a dense forest. Right? So that's where we started. That totem pole. There's benches along the way. And totems along the way. Let me check this. Okay. We're going to come out at the visitor center. There's several totem poles for you to see. Sitka spruce. Hemlock. We didn't see any wildlife in here, but we haven't been here that long. We're actually heading back to the ship. Well, heading back to the shuttle bus. It takes you back to the ship. And I'm going to walk straight here. There is this handy sign. So, that's the trail we started up, and we would have to gone all the way up and all the way back around. So we just turned around. We're going to walk up. But see the totems? Yeah. So there's a log waiting its turn. And here's one that's freshly done. Waiting to stand up. And there's a totem there, and there's a totem there.
And there's two here at the entrance.
There's two little short ones here. If I can call those short. The salmon are running, and the seagulls are excited about it. So I'm sure that lens is getting wet as soon as I dry it off. Sorry. If I hold the umbrella over it, guess what? You don't see anything. Or you don't see anything up. Remember, this is 360. You can look all the way around. Totem there. That's Sitka. That's the road back to Sitka. This is the visitor center. So we got another totem here. Lost Janet for some reason. Nootka lupine. Yellow cedar. Here she comes. Here she comes, just a walking up the sidewalk. So we'll move on. Somebody's trying to take a picture. Take a picture, take a picture.
How you doing?
Aye. Another totem. And 3 more. And a lot of tour buses. We walked over here from town. It's less than a mile, I think. Didn't take us very long. And this is the other trail head. So from Sitka, Alaska,
This is Janet,
and of course I'm Gareth.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.